Autumn is here, and we've begun to notice all the small changes in the seasons so clearly. The shadows in the mountains have turned to the brightest blue. The days are clear and filled with sunshine and bright clouds. Perfect for swimming. The kookaburras sing at dawn, and the black cockatoos are joined by flocks of white cockatoos, who spin and play in the trees and eat all of the pecan nuts that are almost ready to pick. The fruit trees are filling, and it's time to pick chestnuts, persimmons, ice cream beans, figs, and avocados. And with the first touch of cooler nights, we celebrate with a fire under the full moon. Of course, accompanied by all of the ducks and Magnolia and Moth.
We are sisters, Julia and Anastasia, caring for a regenerative fruit farm on Bundjalung country on the east coast of Australia. We have a dream to build a self-sustainable future and regenerate the land for generations to come.
We've started a Patreon. It's here for anyone who wants to be more involved and help us feed the animals and continue documenting this journey. Join us. Today we're harvesting. The chestnut trees are all at the bottom of the farm, and because it's been so wet lately, we are worried that they may have rotted, but we'll pick a few anyway to see. They are so spiky, so we're sharing a pair of gloves. Yay, we picked heaps. We can't wait to roast them on the fire. Further down the valley is our beautiful persimmon tree, and we've noticed last week that the fruit is starting to ripen. It's always a team effort to reach the higher fruit. Yum, this one's ready to eat. Julia loves persimmons and can eat them all day. This tree is so beautiful, standing in the field with staghorns growing all over it. Time for a quick swim. These early autumn days are still very hot, and in our climate we can never stop ourselves from running off to the creek. The cool water is so refreshing and cleansing. Candle nuts! These nuts are native to Australia and many other places, and have an oily section inside the seed that lights up like a candle. The nuts drop to the ground and the outer case rots, leaving only the seed. We're going to collect these nuts to play with on the fire later. Ice cream beans, our favourites! The pods taste just like vanilla ice cream.
So ice creamy.
And some cluster figs. These ripen slowly all year round, so there are always a few ripe on the tree. At this time of year, the last light catches on the mountain above us. So before darkness arrives, we're going to start a campfire. But not without some cute visitors.
Get off! Are you going to eat the fire? Be careful.
We live and farm on the land of the Arakwal and Minjungbal people of Bundjalung, and these practices of regenerative agriculture and permaculture owe their roots and theories to Indigenous knowledge. They have been practiced by Indigenous people around the world for so many years. The ducks don't quite understand the concept of fire yet.
Get out of there. Be careful, fires are hot. Fires are hot. Be careful, Nebula.
I always get distracted by ducks, and Julia always ends up doing most of the work. The smell of the eucalyptus leaves and wood burning reminds us of so many special family moments spent around the fire. We always mark someone's birthday or a celebration by sitting around a campfire.
No!
Up, no!
Oh, shoo!
Get away from there! Get away!
No. No! Get off! Get off!
We found this big hollow log. It's our dad's old fire trick to put a hollow log on the fire so that it makes a chimney with all the smoke coming out in one part. Magnolia and Moth have come from their day paddock to come hang out by the fire. To sit back and watch the last light lighting up the edges of the hills is a special way to end the day. And watching the fire burn is such a beautiful entertainment. Magnolia is sitting just behind us, peeking out from behind the tree. Suddenly the sky behind us lights up pink and orange. As the colours slowly fade, the goats start to get sleepy and want cuddles. Now that it's dark, it's time to play with candle nuts. As the moon rises, we decide it's such a special night that we might just sleep by the fire. We sleep beneath the moon, and the dawn comes softly through the trees. With the changing seasons, the kookaburras have begun to sing in the early mornings. Their call always sounds like laughter, joking with us to get out of bed. The light first catches on the tips of the gum trees across the valley. Soon it spreads everywhere, touching the hoop pines and the paddocks. It's the beautiful old red cedar trees in the rainforest. They are so special because they're our only native deciduous tree, and the leaves will begin to fall in the next few weeks. And suddenly everything is caught in a golden glow. Mist fills the valley and drifts towards the east, and the whipbirds sing out through the rainforest. The ducks wake and start quacking, and we know that it's time to start our day. Thank you for watching. We appreciate all the support and the new friends we are making. Lots of love from us, Mum who films everything, and all of the animals. And a big thanks to our patrons for helping us on this journey.